You wouldn't believe it, but just one helicopter flying over the beach can turn a relaxing day into complete chaos. It doesn't look eco-friendly anymore. This video is a perfect example of thinking outside the box. To unload coal from the cart, they just tip the cart over. I'm no expert, but it feels like this river could use a bit more river. If you feel like there's something off with this turbine, you're correct. Now, let's see what that led to.